Did you know that you can be 10 times stronger than you are at the same weight?
Kidding.
10 times might be an exaggeration, but becoming 3 to 4 times stronger is absolutely possible. You don't even need a gym. Your body alone is enough to achieve this. But you might be wondering, how is that possible? If you don't want to be bullied because you're weak, or if you just want to be strong, just listen to what I'm about to share. Personally, even before stepping foot into a gym, I was stronger than 90% of the people I knew back in those days when I was skinny. Most people would ask, how are you this strong at your weight? Honestly, it wasn't anything extraordinary or out of the ordinary. Step 1. Push-ups. Push-ups were the foundation for me. I never did a single bench press in my life, yet I developed a solid chest. If you can't do a full push-up, start with half push-ups. Over time, you'll get stronger and progress to full push-ups. Once you can do 20 to 30 full push-ups consistently, try other variations like diamond push-ups or decline push-ups. These will target and strengthen multiple areas of your upper body, making a significant difference in your overall strength. Step 2. Pull-ups. Get a pull-up bar or visit a nearby calisthenics park. Pull-ups are essential for building your back muscles and improving posture. If you're new, chances are you won't be able to do more than 5 at first, and that's perfectly fine. Start with half pull-ups and gradually increase your reps. Once you can do pull-ups consistently, take it up a notch by wearing a backpack filled with weights. This small adjustment will make you much stronger than you ever thought possible. Step 3. Running. Running is crucial for endurance, cardiovascular health, growth hormone production, and leg strength. It doesn't matter how far or fast you run. Just get outside and run for at least 15 to 20 minutes a day. On some days, switch to sprint training. The simple habit can significantly boost your growth hormone levels and overall fitness. Step 4. Boxing. I highly recommend joining a boxing gym. While you can practice boxing at home, it's not the same as having a coach who can correct your mistakes. Even just a few months of training can teach you the basics and significantly improve your self-defense skills. If you stick with it for a few years, you might even become a pro. But as I mentioned, at least a few months of training is essential. You can also explore other martial arts, but keep in mind that boxing is one of the most effective styles when it comes to street. Additionally, watching UFC or boxing matches can provide valuable insights and help improve your skills. Nutrition matters. Don't forget your nutrition. Without proper nutrition, no matter how much exercise you do, you won't see the results you're aiming for. To build strength, focus on eating foods rich in proteins such as chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and tofu to help your muscles recover and grow. Make sure you're also getting a good amount of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, and complex carbs like whole grains, sweet potatoes, and vegetables to fuel your body and support overall health. Vitamins and minerals are essential too. Make sure to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet to provide your body with key nutrients like vitamin C for immune support and magnesium for muscle function. If you want to gain weight, eat 500 calories more than your daily maintenance level. This extra intake should come from nutrient-dense foods, not just empty calories. If you want to lose weight, consume 500 calories less. Just be sure to maintain a healthy balance, ensuring you're still getting all the nutrients your body needs to stay strong and energized. Rest and recovery are just as essential as the workout itself. Your muscles grow when you rest, not when you're lifting. Make sure to get plenty of sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night to allow your body to recover and repair. Additionally, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body functioning at its best. These are the exact methods I've followed in my life. Today, I have a noticeable physique, a healthy lifestyle, and a sharp mind. Yes, incorporating these habits doesn't just improve your body, it enhances your mental health too. That's all I wanted to share. I hope this video provides you with some motivation and useful ideas. Start small, stay consistent, and I guarantee you'll be much stronger than you are today.